The SaniTrend Cloud online data acquisition and management system is a software as a service that provides automated secure data acquisition and reporting of critical clean cycle information for the cleaning system. Leveraging the PTC Cloud, SaniTrend Cloud is revolutionizing how organizations capture data and unlock insights into their cleaning system operation. Today, we've partnered with PTC to discuss a few pressing questions about security in the cloud. So Tom, thanks for joining us. If you wouldn't mind to introduce yourself.
Sure, I'm Tom Rassman. I'm a vice president within our PTC Cloud organization with responsibility for security.
Well, Tom, just diving right in, I think it's important to understand on a tactical level, what can a customer do to improve security of an individual processing facility?
Yeah, I think let's start by talking about specific actions that a plant manager and IT teams can take when implementing cloud technology to ensure security at the factory level.
Yeah, I think that's a great idea. So with that, let's start with, does isolating a machine network or business network at a plant level help improve security?
Certainly, this is a great approach to plant level security. Plant managers and IT teams should establish isolated networks from their machines and business systems. But by establishing a separate machine network from your business network, malware or bad actors that might be present in your business network won't be able to access the specific systems within the plant. Also, you want to ensure that the control layers are set up to protect your systems. SaniTrend is connected to the control layer, but it's not bidirectional control. So it can only make outbound connections from your machine network and doesn't accept anything coming in. This means that reporting software is strictly reporting software. You don't need to worry about people getting into your systems and interfering with them.
Okay. So if I were an IT professional at a facility, how can I ensure the right people are accessing the right systems?
Yeah, I think it starts with establishing strong policies and procedures for managing personnel who have access to the systems. One recommendation is granting each plant with its own administrative rights in its own unique instance, then assigning a single administrator per plant. This gives you control and visibility into the user database. You can track usage and give administrators an understanding of who has access. Sani-Matic can go in and overwrite if you lose that access, but it's your access and your administrative policies. In terms of general usage of machines and systems, that should be managed through a defined interface through the cloud.
So thinking about a plant level, how does a cloud-based storage system impact security, say, versus a local storage? And how does PTC data storage, how secure is it exactly?
Yeah, so cloud-based storage versus local data storage is an issue that often comes up. What we found is that data that's in the cloud is often more secure and available than on local infrastructure. And the reason is that there's multiple levels of redundancy for the cloud data storage. The cloud data is backed up on a nightly basis, and it's geolocated in different regions so that if there's a disaster in one specific region, it's not going to knock out your data. Once the data is up there, it's very unlikely that you would ever lose it, as opposed to local electronic data or paper records that could be lost or destroyed and oftentimes isn't backed up with as much rigor. You're really putting all of your eggs in one basket. Additionally, PTC's cloud data storage is best in class. The architecture for our ThingWorx hosting provides isolation for the various components of the solution. Application services are separated from database services. And in terms of the communication, only the application server can talk to the database server. No other systems can make those connections. So the database is protected by limiting the services that can get to it. The servers are also all hardened so that we eliminate the vulnerabilities. They have tight access control, as only the PTC database administration team can get to it. In terms of keeping applications and data secure in the cloud, we follow a strict security standards like ISO 27001 and are audited to auditing standards like the SOC 2 Type 2. These are really rigorous compliance measures that we follow and are audited against to ensure that our systems are secure.
Great. Wow. Well, thank you, Tom. And thank you. Thank PTC for this. It's been really enlightening for me and hopefully for our viewers. And thank you all, the viewers of this. This is the end of our 3-part series. If you haven't seen the other parts, please look those up. I think you'll find those enlightening as well. Our time with Tom has been fantastic.